Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Goan English Vibes, where we explore Goa's beautiful places, Goa's cuisine, Goa's culture, Goa's tradition, and Goa's beaches, while learning spoken English in a simple and enjoyable way. So today I have very special guest who is next to my heart. She is my go-to friend. She is my spiritual guru because she is following happy thoughts. Sometimes she motivates me, sometimes I motivate her. Sometimes she inspires me, sometimes I inspire her. So you can say, in shortcut, she is my sweetheart. So she is a proud homemaker and she has incredible zeal and burning desire to learn spoken English. So let's listen to her and her inspirational journey. Hey Ranjana ma'am, how are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing great, Sangeeta, and thank you for inviting me here on your newly YouTube channel. So I'm so thankful, so grateful to you. And what about you?
Yes, I'm also doing incredibly amazing and I'm
Good.
flourishing in my own space. I'm just,
Yeah.
I'm trying to align with my purpose. So everything is hunky dory, no complaints. And right now, I'm just
Nice
buzzing
to
with
hear that.
lots of energy because you are in front of my eyes. So I'm really very
Oh
much
my God. Oh
excited.
my
Yes.
God.
Yes, it is a fact. It
So,
is a fact. I am not lying with you because I can't say I am very real person, but whatever I feel, I always share with you. If I don't feel good,
yes.
then also I share with you, and if I feel good, then also I share with you because that's
Yeah,
why I
yeah.
told you
You
you are
are
my
honest.
yes.
You're always whenever like the person who asks you, your opinion is honest. So I
Yes.
like your that quality, honesty.
Yes, and
Honesty.
you mention me many times, Sangeeta. I like your this quality, okay? Because anytime, many times you ask me, feedback and everything. So I told whatever I failed that time, I told you without any hesitation, okay? So Ranjana ma'am, can you introduce yourself to my audience?
Yes, yes, Sangeeta. Why not? So my name is Ranjana, and I am from Pune, Maharashtra. Pune, where is where there is no nothing to get. Like in
Very simple.
Marathi we call Pune तिथे काय
काय
होणे.
होणे? Yes, I know.
Ha. And yes, yes. And I'm a CEO of my house. I'm blessed with a doctor's son and my husband. And right now, he is in Mumbai. He is working in Tata Hospital there. So me and my husband, we both are staying in here. Sometimes my husband travels, so I go with him and enjoy my life. And apart from that, I'm I'm into in happy thoughts. I'm following from 2014. Since then, I'm consistent here, and that happy thoughts taught me how to live happy in 24 by 7, because the things that many circumstances situation someone don't if doesn't talk to you nicely, and the situation comes to you and we are not ready to how to face it. So that
Yes.
taught me how to handle it. That first mantra I learned from happy thoughts is accept. It's a bracket, and whatever it is in bracket, accept as it is, and you don't feel bad, or you easily you will be able to face the situation. From happy thoughts I learned that thing also, and many things actually, but that is a promote from permanent promote
And
thing. It's
You
so
only taught me one sentence. Sangeeta, don't expect. You just accept. Whatever it is, you
ex-
accept. Okay. Don't expect anything from your husband, from your
expect.
children, from
Yeah,
anyone. So
yeah.
you only have
Yes.
taught me. Right.
Thank
Okay.
you.
So
You remember still
yes.
you remember that thing. Thank you
Yes,
so
yes.
much.
And I'm following, not only remembered, but I'm following, and it's really helpful. Again, it is easier said than done, but I'm
Yeah.
following. Okay, because we have to try it. Now, then only it will become. Okay, deliberately we have to put in effort. So
Of
I
course.
remembered also, and I have been following also since you told me.
Wow.
Very lovely
Wow. Good,
information,
good,
Ranjana ma'am.
good. Nice to hear that. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes. So first and foremost, I would like to say you thank you. I know it may sound a bit formal, but I mean it because I know how much busy you are nowadays because one very important function is going to happen your place, but still you took out some time for me because I know I am also your sweetheart. So that's why you took out time for your busy schedule and you are here with me. So really, I appreciate it and thanks bunch. Thanks a bunch. Okay, so let's start our conversation with some very common questions. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Okay, so my first question for you that how would you describe yourself in only 3 words?
Okay. Let me think. What is how can I describe myself in only 3 words?
3 words, yes. I know it is quite a difficult question, but I know you would be able to give answer.
Don't go with
Okay.
perfectness. Go with simplicity.
Wow, fantastic.
Simplicity and be courageous, be confident, and be clear in every area of your life because lack of clearness, because when the person is not clear, too much clear about what you want to do and why, so you
Clarity.
will be in a dilemma and you will not with the direction. So be clear. So that is, I always according to me, I always try to three things,
Follow.
find out 3 things if I'm asked, or I ask myself only if the why I want to go, and if I don't want to go, so why I'm not going to. So that is both situation. If you have a clarity, you will
Okay.
uh, go ahead. That is
So
the three
clarity,
things.
clarity in
Clarity,
your thoughts, okay, should be
yeah,
there, and you are
clarity.
also following. So you are describing yourself that you have that clarity. Okay, whatever
Yes.
things if you want to do or if you don't want to do, so you have that
Do
clarity. Why I want to
in
do
both
and why I
cases.
don't want to do. So that is first quality you describe for yourself, and I am also I altogether agree with you because I know you always follow this. You are following these things. Okay, so second quality of your what you told?
That confidence,
Con-
consistent, be
Consist.
consistent, be
Yeah.
confident. Hmm.
Yes. So you
And
are very much,
confidence comes,
yes,
yeah, confidence comes with practice only.
practice. Yes, there is no
How we
doubt.
practice a lot, you remember those things,
Yes,
those days.
yes, we used to call each other and we used to speak for
Yeah.
almost 1 hour. Okay, and my
1 hour
son
sometime.
sometimes he told me, Mama, how much time you are speaking with Ranjana ma'am because they are also very much familiar with you, you know.
Yes,
So I
yes.
know we were following lots of consistency actually, and that's why
And
right now we are here.
one more thing, sorry, but I interrupting you,
No, no,
Sangeeta,
no
but
issue at all.
one
Yes.
more thing I remembered just now, that while talking to each other, I think that release uh, the secrets, what that hormones, the
Yeah. Yes.
dopamine
Yes.
hormones.
Yeah. Very well.
Because we
Very
were
well said.
speaking, we were so much while speaking, we were laughing, we were enjoying our conversation. So both, and we were teaching also to each other. And if someone is making mistake, and we will help we would help to each other, how you made the mistake, correct. We would correct each other. So that was nice days. We learned so many things.
That is Ranjana ma'am, that is a true friendship. Okay, we have to correct our friend and we simultaneously we have to impart our knowledge. Still now I remember those days, if you learned any new word, you were so excited to share with me. And you used to tell me in our conversation, Sangeeta, if I make any mistake, please let me know. Don't feel hesitant. Okay. And likewise, I also told you the same thing. And like
Yeah.
that way, we both were flourishing. Okay, and after
Yeah.
that, our another co-learners, they also started to ask their own mistake. Otherwise, now they were feeling, they were feeling very hesitant. Okay, to if we tell them their mistake, they sometimes they don't like actually. But because of us, because we started like that way, so they also started to tell me, Sangeeta, if I make any mistake, please feel
Don't be hesitant to tell me. Be
yes.
clear. Tell me. So really, if you take feedback from others, no,
It is
so it
very
is always
important
true.
because see, we all are here for learning purpose. And Ranjana ma'am, see, while our conversation still now I remember, we never ever did, backbiting or gossiping because still now
Mm.
we are very much busy, to flourishing and to improving our knowledge only. So that is
Because
very
we were
best
so
thing.
much clear. Because we were so much clear about our goal. That
Thoughts,
is the
yes,
reason. So that clarity is very helps.
important.
Mm.
Right, right. I altogether agree with
Clarity,
you.
clarity plays a vital role in
Yes.
that thing.
Because lots of people they don't have clarity and they are just running on a hamster wheel. They are just working and improvement is nothing there. Okay, no progress. So what is the use of that hard work now if you don't have clarity? Then what is the use? Okay, so very important. You
Absolutely
told
okay.
things. Yes.
Absolutely okay.
Okay, so my next question for you, Ranjana ma'am. When did you start learning English seriously? I'm asking you seriously.
Seriously,
Yes.
yes, yes, yes. Yeah, seriously. So let me think. Yeah, 2, 3 times I think I have enrolled myself in the sessions, some
Classes.
classes, but mm, that was not serious. Not happened somehow. The situations not were in my favorable
Favor.
condition
Favor, huh?
favor. So I think not happened, but during COVID only it happened seriously.
Okay.
And maybe the reason was I had a deep desire to learn and to speak in English language whenever I go, because I used to feel so nervous and so hesitant
Okay.
with people, a group of people, and when we go out, travel. That time, if I'm unable to speak in English language, that time is a very. It's like you can see the
Yes,
person
yes.
who
I
is.
can understand. I can understand because
Yeah,
I also went through like that situation. If you don't know English,
many ladies
you
and many, yeah,
yes,
many ladies go through the same situations, but you
exactly.
have to take one step ahead and you have to take a decision, and oh, you can overcome the situation. And now I eradicated
Okay,
that
yeah,
negative.
I can see that thing.
Yes,
Okay, so
and
after
now,
Corona, after pandemic situation, you have started your
yeah,
journey. Okay.
utilize
Okay.
that pandemic period, those days, because
So,
the
this
activities were
pandemic
less.
period, yeah, pandemic period was, silver lining actually. Every cloud has
Yeah,
silver lining. So it was silver
fine.
lining for us. Okay, blessing in
Correct.
disguise, right?
Agree.
So we
Right.
utilized actually. So really, it's fantastic that you utilized your
Amazing.
time to learn this language. Nice, very nice answer. Okay, so my third question for you, that what exactly inspired you to improve your English?
What exactly to
Yeah,
inspire?
inspired you.
Inspiration was within me only.
Yeah.
And it was, that I had a burning desire,
You are
deep
full of
desire.
inspiration. Yes.
So only myself inspired me to speak and learn and practices, because I never ever that much curious to learn. and I never ever put that much effort when I only this learning English language, because I learned from scratch.
Yes,
When
I
my
know.
journey started, English journey, it was from scratch. I did not know even a single meaning and single word of meaning and single word, how to pronounce. So everything I learned. So that
Yes.
for that you need to take, you have to be more patient and you need to take so much effort.
Yeah.
So many times I used to uh, awake when my husband job, sometimes he travels, so I just awake to write down, to listen, to read. So those LSRW activities I used to do. And now how much whatever it is, I'm in front of you, you can
So
see.
you told very nice things, you know. See, I know you are inspirational for yourself, and that is very important because see, every time if you see outer inspiration and motivation, so it doesn't go every time, you know, smoothly. You that inspiration you should have within you, and if you have that burning desire, and if you have that zeal, then automatically you feel inspiration within, and that is very
Yes.
important. Okay, so lovely answer. Okay, so my next question for you, that how did you overcome that fear?
Over anything you want to overcome, for that you need to be there. And you can't say that I also faced many. It was a
Daunting.
daunting to
Yes.
see, but still earlier, as I earlier said to you, that you have to be
Yeah.
consistent, so and face it, because uh,
Yeah.
there is face it, because when you face one line, I learned from Happy Thoughts also, face the fear and there is no fear. So you
Wow.
have to
Well
face it
said.
first, and automatically you can overcome the things earlier that you troubled. You become devastated when the when the time is facing, but slowly and gradually you can overcome the things. So similarly, I also overcome with practice, with consistency, because practice, persistence and patience is also required to gain any skill, to achieve any
Right.
skill. That is also
Very
important.
well, very well said. You know, it's very important. Facing fear is very important, and you have to take that challenges, okay? Because everyone has that fear. We are human beings. So it is very natural thing, but we have to face it and we have to learn. Otherwise, every time you are just, you are just self-doubting and you are just experiencing that fear and you are not taking deliberate efforts, then how you will overcome
Yeah.
that fear? So you have to take
Deliberate
deliberate
action also.
efforts for that, and then only you will overcome that fear. I know, because you know, you went to your husband's party, and there also you gave one speech. That time also you was so fearful, but you overcame that because you face it and you went there. I know we make mistakes and it is quite natural, okay, but
Yeah,
don't
we are
make that
human beings.
mistake again and again, okay. You have to correct that mistake and you have to go again, then again you have to make different mistake, again correct that mistake and again go forward. So it should be like that way. I have seen your those journey, you know, fearful journeys and everything.
All credit goes to you,
Oh
because
my
you
God.
you have
Pleasure is
made,
mine.
you had motivated to me to
Yes.
speak, so that happened because of you only. Thank
So
you
that's
so
why
much
I
for
told
that.
initially, you know, you are my motivational guru. Sometimes you become my motivation and sometimes I
uh,
become. And it should be like that way only, okay? Then
don't
only you
say
will.
guru, I'm your friend, I'm not
Yeah,
your
guru.
guru.
See,
Guru
guru
is
in the
like,
sense, no, guru in the sense, what I want to say, guru means we give motivation, you can say. Okay, guru, I just for the sake of telling, I told, but
I can
motivate.
understand your feelings, I can understand your feeling.
Because it is
Well,
my very first time and I'm novice here. It is my very first YouTube, YouTube this thing video. Okay, so my next question for you, that how has learning changed your life?
Oh my God, it drastically because of learning English, and when I just like I'm able to speak, when I got that confidence, yes, I can communicate, converse with the situation comes. So I traveled alone by flight. That was my nice experience after learning, and it changed a lot. And rightly what you said, I went to the function of my husband. So, and there also I spoke. So I think two, three not incident, the things,
Yes.
experience was very good. And I must say that changed my life drastically.
Yes, so
Thank you.
drastic changes happened in your life after learning this
Yes,
language. First
yes,
thing, so your confidence level now it is next level,
yes,
okay, and you
next
enjoy
level.
your life without without taking help of your husband, okay. So it is very important, we become very independent. Okay, if you
Yeah,
don't know English now, you become dependent, and if you know
yes,
English,
yes,
then you become very independent. You feel very
yeah.
confident, and that
My
confidence
situation. Yes,
very
my
important.
situation was same. What you explained right now.
Yes.
So
I can understand. I can understand. Okay. So my next question for you, Ranjana ma'am, and it is very important because lots of homemakers they want to learn this language. Okay, because
yeah,
everyone has that zeal to learn this language. But what happens, they have lots of fear and they are shy also. How earlier
yeah,
we were. So same situation still now they are facing. Okay, so what one mantra or what would you like to tell those housewives or
homemaker, housewife.
homemakers? Yes.
Yeah, if I can, everyone can
Oh,
learn and speak, because there
hmm,
is no rocket science, nothing mantra. Only you have to be patient.
patient.
Patience need to achieve your goal, achieve your skill, any you want to achieve, anything you want to achieve,
Yes.
and you have to be consistent. What I said rightly. So that is the thing, and with the patience you have, and uh, take effort and take actions.
Yeah,
Whenever
it is
I
very
was very
important.
confident,
Actions.
action taker, you if you become an action taker, then only it will happen. Once I think, after just learning, I went down, and in front of my gate, a society gate, I met with one of my just society lady, and I knew that she is a very good in speaking language. I started speaking with her. After that I just came up, I called you and I told a full story how it happened, and I felt so good
You were
about
on
myself.
cloud nine. You were
Cloud
on cloud
nine.
nine.
Yes, yes,
So
I
this
did
small,
it.
small happiness we share with each other, and it really gives us, too much happiness. We feel so
Yeah,
content, satisfied, and we feel on the
yeah,
top
yes,
of world, right? Yes,
yes,
I know
yes.
you called me
And
that time.
you motivated me a lot that time. Yes, Ranjana, you did it. You got it, and now you are speaking. So lot many times you motivated to me for doing small small thing, and that time it was like that was small thing, but it was a
It
bundle
made
of
lots of
happiness.
difference. Yeah, because see that
Oh,
small,
yeah.
small things only one day it becomes very big. Okay. That time you can't figure out that small, small improvement changes. Okay. But
Yeah.
yes, everything counts. Whatever
Ah,
hard efforts you do, everything will pay off at the end. But till that time, now
yes.
don't throw in the towel. Don't give up. That is very important. And that is the patience.
Ah,
That is patience because lots of ladies now they want to learn this language and beginning they have that zeal enthusiasm, but after couple of days now all their energy just fizzled out and they don't have that patience. They feel no, English is very difficult, it is not my cup of tea, and they just throw in the towel. So it should not be like that. See why we reached here, because we didn't give up. Many times we also felt frustration, we also felt that we are on plateau situation, we are not improving where we were earlier, still now we are here. That plateau situation we
yes.
have to encounter. but you have to still, you have to just, you have to go on. Okay, you have,
Yes.
don't stop. You have to keep on walking. That is very
Yes.
important, right? Yes,
Yeah, totally agree with your all the points, Sangeeta. And one more point I want to add it to it, because
yes,
you have to make your mind for do not give up mindset. You have to make
um,
your mind for not giving up.
yes, very
No
important.
matter what,
Come what
no
may,
matter
sun,
what,
yeah. It's
come
rain or
rain or
shine.
shine,
And you,
I will speak English one day, and every day I was standing in front of mirror, and I would speak like I am a confident, correct,
speaker.
fluent English speaker, and that
Yes.
happened one day.
Because see,
So it is the
it is
mantra.
now again, it is again gradual and slow process, because now
Slow process,
Rome wasn't built in a one day. It took
one
lot
day,
of
right?
time. So same way you will improve one day, but it is not gradual and slow process. If you think no,
Yes.
one day, 3 months, after 3 months I will become fluent.
No, no, nothing will happen.
It is
Nothing will
impossible. And if anyone tell you that
happen.
I improve 3 months, no, it is not like that way, because we know how much hard efforts we all have taken to learn this language. Okay,
we
so
have
it
to
is not a
we
one day.
have to we have to one thing I want to tell here, that if we make your mind for lifelong learner, if I am, yes, I believe in that, lifelong learner. You
Journey.
don't say
Yes.
I learned, now I don't need to learn anything, I don't
No,
need
no,
to
no.
practice any nothing. No, no, it will not happen. You have to be still practice, because how, see, Sachin Tendulkar, then
Hmm.
our Indian
Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan,
and Lata
he,
Mangeshkar ji,
yes,
they
she
have
was.
never ever stopped their practices,
Yes.
even though they were like famous
They
dignitaries.
touch that
They were
sky.
dignitaries, but they never stopped. So
Yes.
similarly, we have to be consistent and practice
It
every
is
day without
lifelong
fail.
journey. It is lifelong
Lifelong.
journey, and we have to learn lifelong. You can't say now I learned lots of things. No need. No, it is not like that, because now there is always room for improvement. Okay.
Yes.
There is always room for improvement. Right. Very well said. I altogether agree.
And,
Now, see,
yes,
time
yes.
just flew by, and okay, we have to now conclude our session. So, Ranjana ma'am, thank you very much for joining me today here. And I can see, conspicuous changes happen in your personality, in your confidence, and in your
Oh
spoken
my God.
English. So, and you have that clarity. You have that clarity, and that is the main reason for your, improvement. So I impressed a lot, and I would like to say my all audience, see, if she could do, then why can't you? Because I saw her English journey, and that time she was really pathetic at English, because her background was Marathi medium and she has started
Yes.
from scratch. Okay, but because of her zeal, because of her burning desire, now she reached here. So you can see now drastic changes. So, my dear friends, you also give your best. Okay, keep consistency, keep perseverance, and keep patience. So, you will also improve one day. Just don't think that one day and one night I will become fluent speaker. No, as I told earlier, also Rome wasn't built in a day, so you should have patience. Okay, and I always believe, slow and steady people, they always win the race. If you are going slowly, no issue. Okay, but steadily you have to go. Okay, consistency, perseverance. So I would like to say, all of you just keep growing and keep learning. Okay, Ranjana ma'am, if you want to tell something, you can.
Thank you so much for inviting me here on your first newborn YouTube channel. And definitely you will achieve so much, so many things. You will go ahead in that. And really, I'm equally grateful and thankful to you. And we all know that the journey of 1,000 miles starts with one
Yes,
step.
very well.
On that note, I want to be
Yes.
many thank you, more grateful to you.
Yes,
And
likewise, like
really, I enjoyed
same here.
this interview.
I also
Thank you.
enjoyed, I was so comfortable while talking with you. I didn't feel any, scaredness or jitteriness because we both are very familiar to each other. So you also made me comfortable. So thank you for that. And
Thank you.
yes, just keep growing, keep learning, and happy thoughts. Bye.
Happy thought. Bye bye.
Bye.
Nice.